You're watching How Leap. Let's provide a reality check on how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. The honest answer is that once a message is deleted by the sender, it is removed from WhatsApp's servers and your chat, and there is no official way to retrieve it. However, there are a few limited methods that might work if you act before the message is deleted. On Android, you can use notification history if it was enabled. Go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, Notifications, then Notification History. If enabled, you might see the message text in your phone's log. For future protection, you can use third-party apps like Notification Logger that save all notifications. But these require setup before the message is deleted and can be a privacy risk. On iPhones, it is more difficult without a jailbreak, but if the message was in a notification preview on your lock screen, you might see it in your iPhone's notification center by swiping down from the top if it hasn't been cleared. The most reliable method is to ask the sender directly. Be wary of any website or app that claims it can recover deleted WhatsApp messages, as these are often scams. The best practice is to take a screenshot quickly if you see a message you want to save. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.